Hey guys, this is Hunter at Vapor Holding Technologies, and today we will be discussing our vapor blasters for sale. Vapor Holding Technologies has cabinets ranging from 17 by 13 by 13 to 60 by 48 by 38, automated systems, and even mobile units that you can use outdoors. All of these cabinets have different features like wipers, turntables, and heaters, just to name a few. This is depending on your needs and what will be the most efficient choice for you. We also offer cabinets for all uses, whether you are a hobbyist or a full-time business in need of a home hobbyist cabinet all the way up to commercial grade equipment. These cabinets start at just $1,000 and have lifetime warranties and options for upgrade further down the line, in case you outgrow your machine. Also, the upgrade option has no depreciation. For more information and guidance, please contact me at 828-202-5563 extension 102, and I will be more than happy to help guide you in the right direction.